let's keep in mind these are Winnipeggers, and this is primarily a health issue.
A safe consumption site or sites, which harm reduction activists say are badly needed here in Winnipeg, now one step closer to becoming reality. Winnipeg City Council has commissioned a report into safe consumption sites that could pave the way for major changes.
I think when you're looking at a health issue like addictions, I think we should be guided by data and by science.
For those on the front lines, the data is already clear. This is an issue that needs to be addressed.
In 2018, there were a recorded 187 deaths. The medical officer of health for the Winnipeg Regional Health Authority predicted that the opioid overdose deaths for 2020 could reach as high as 300 to 400.
Every day, my staff walk to check behind dumpsters, local businesses, in areas throughout our physical building in hopes that we don't find another human being who has died of drug poisoning.
These advocates add the impacts of the pandemic only exacerbating this long-standing issue, as is the rise of dangerous opioids like fentanyl and carfentanil, and say there is also data showing safe sites can help.
When the safe injection site in Vancouver opened up, in the very first year, there was a decrease of 30% for overdose numbers in the immediate area surrounding the site.
So what would such a site look like here?
We hope to have drug testing there so people can test their drugs before they actually use them so they know exactly what they are using. There is direct access to health care. In the event that they do overdose, they will be able to respond immediately.
Mayor Bowman saying it is time to acknowledge among all levels of government the way this issue has been addressed simply is not working.
There have been numerous spending announcements by various levels of government. But what I haven't seen is the outcomes in our community in terms of the wellness of our individuals that are affected by addictions.
Council slated to receive the report on consumption sites in 120 days. In Winnipeg, Jonas Gilbart, City News.